The sun rose bright and golden over the digital playground, and Koko and Dodo were already buzzing with excitement. After their first wild adventure in the world of DeFi, they couldn't wait to see what new surprises awaited them. With their backpacks full of curiosity, they skipped along the black and yellow path, ready for episode 2 of their journey. Suddenly, a friendly beep echoed through the air. It was Kovich the robot, rolling up with a big, sparkling grin. "Welcome back, explorers," Kovich cheered. "Today, you'll discover even more secrets of DeFi, and face some fun new challenges." Koko and Dodo high-fived, eager to learn and play. Their first stop was the puzzle bridge, where coins floated above swirling waters. "To cross, you must solve the riddle of liquidity pools," announced Professor Satoshi, the wise owl. Koko scratched his head, but Dodo remembered what they'd learned. A liquidity pool is like a big pot where everyone puts their coins, so people can swap them easily. With a giggle, they tossed their answers into the air, and the bridge lit up, letting them cross safely. On the other side, they found a bustling DeFi marketplace. Robots and animals traded tokens, swapped stories, and shared tips. Koko spotted a sign: "Yield farming, grow your crypto." Dodo asked, "How does it work?" Kovich explained, "When you lend your coins to the DeFi garden, you earn rewards, just like planting seeds and watching them grow." Koko imagined a field of golden coins sprouting up, and both friends danced with joy. But not everything was sunshine and rainbows. Suddenly, a sneaky shadow crept across the market. "Watch out for scams," warned Kovich. "Some offers look shiny but can trick you." Professor Satoshi handed them a magnifying glass. "Always check twice, and never share your secret keys." Koko and Dodo practiced spotting fake offers, learning how to stay safe and smart. Next, they zoomed to the Kovich Trading Academy, where students raced through obstacle courses of charts and numbers. "Let's join in," shouted Koko. They learned how to read price graphs, spot trends, and make clever trades. Dodo even won a golden badge for asking great questions. The academy cheered, "Learning is your superpower." Their journey continued to the futuristic Kovich AI Mastery lab. Here, friendly robots showed them how artificial intelligence could help spot patterns and avoid mistakes. "AI is like having a wise friend who never sleeps," said Kovich. Koko and Dodo watched as the robots helped traders make smart moves, keeping their coins safe and sound. As the day turned to night, Koko and Dodo sat under a glowing tree, their minds buzzing with new knowledge. They realized that DeFi was a world full of adventure, but also full of lessons. With Kovich Bitcoin, Kovich Trading Academy, and Kovich AI Mastery by their side, they felt ready for anything. With a final wave to their friends, Koko and Dodo promised to keep exploring, keep learning, and always help others stay safe in the world of DeFi. Their story was far from over, because every day brought a new adventure, and every lesson made them stronger, smarter, and even more excited for what tomorrow would bring.